This makes the tree imbalanced. So I have to balance the tree by doing the rotation. So here the imbalance is because of your right part. So you have to do the RR rotation. RR rotation. Okay. So when RR rotation will be done, then this will move to the right, okay, anti-clockwise. So this will again move to your right, this will again move to your right. So we will see how that will be done. So when this becomes unbalanced, because imbalance is here -2, so our balance factor must be 0, -1 or 1, -1 or 1 to make the tree balance. But here your balance factor is 2, so imbalance is here. So there is problem in your right part, so I have to do the RR rotation. When I am doing the RR rotation, 7 will come anti-clockwise here. Then every node must go to 1 position right. 10 will go here, 11 will go here. So now I have to draw the tree here. This is the resultant tree, okay? Okay, 5, then here 2, then 1, then 3 as usual placed, okay? Then 7 will come here, 10 will go there, okay? 1 position right, anti-clockwise. So 10, now 7 will come here, 7, 1 position, again 11 will go 1 position to the 10 will go to 7 position, 11 will go to your 10th position, 7 will 1 position right. So here now the link of 9 will cut, okay? Now the link of 9 will cut. So how the 9 will be placed? 9 according to the BST rule, 9 greater than 5, okay, comes here. 9 smaller than 10 comes here, and 9 greater than your 7 comes here, okay? So now again I have to calculate the balance factor. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, -1, 1 and -1 difference 0, okay? Then this is your tree. Right part present, left part is not there. Then your 0, -1, 0, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, -1, -2, -3. Your balance factor is your -1, okay? So now the right part present, left part is absent. So here 0 and -1, so -1 is also balanced tree, okay? So again your 0, 1, 2 means here 2, left side, right side 0, your -1, 2 and -1, 1. Again this is tree also your balanced tree. Again this part 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, -1, -2, -3. 3 -3 and 2 difference is -1, so tree is balanced, okay? Then what I have to delete? Then I have to delete 2. Then I have to delete 2, okay? 2 or 1, whatever. We have deleted 4, then I have to delete 4, then 8, then 6, then 5, then your 2, then 1, then 7. We have already deleted 4, 8, 6. 6, then I have to delete now 5. So 5 is your important node, okay? So 5 is your important node. This is the root node. So root means it is most important. During the time of deleting the root node, I have to consider what? I have to consider I must keep the node that is greater than the left subtree and smaller than your right subtree. So when I will delete 5, I have to think, I have to place which node from the left subtree, because of the in-order rule. According to the in-order rule, the predecessor of the root will go. So left, root and right. So from the left subtree, I have to take the highest element, as that must satisfy the BST rule. What is the BST rule? Left subtree must be smaller than the root, and the root must be smaller than the right subtree. So I have to delete 5, now your question is your 4, delete 5. Okay, so when I have to delete 5, so I have to, according to the in order predecessor 1, 2 and 3, I have to keep 3 here, because 3 is greater than the left subtree and smaller than the right subtree. Okay, so now your 2, then your 1. 2, 1 as usual, that will be placed. Again, the right subtree will be placed accordingly. 10, 7, 11, 9. Okay. So here we have deleted 5. Okay, now I have to delete 2. Okay, now I have to delete. So here I have to again calculate the balance factor. If the tree is, I think this tree is balanced. So this is your 0 and this is your 1, because no right subtree, so balance is 1. Here 0, 1, 2, right side 2. This is your 0. This is your right side present, so this is your minus 1. 0, 1, 2. 0 minus 1, the balance factor is 1. 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 3, this is 2. The balance factor is minus 1. Yes, the tree is balanced. So I have to delete 2. I have to delete 2. So my tree is, after deleting 5, I have to delete 2. So my input tree is 3, 2, 1, 10. 7, 11, then your 9. Okay, so I have to delete 2. Okay, when 2 will be deleted, how the tree will look like? 3. Till now my tree is balanced. Okay, I have deleted 2. Then 10, 7, 11, then 9. Okay, so now I have to calculate the balance factor. Okay, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, now I have to calculate the right parts. So here this is your right part, 0 means this node's right part is present, left part is not present, so here you use minus 1. So this node's left part 0, 1, 2. This is 0, minus 1, so here 1, balanced. But here this is left side height is 1, but right side 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So imbalance, that is your imbalance at 3. So 3 is your node. Okay, so imbalance is because of which subtree? Your right subtree. Okay, your right subtree. So here I have to do the array rotation. Here I have to do the array rotation to make the, here we have not inserted anything, but we have just saw that we have seen that yes, your left part is low and your right part is high, and because of the right part's problem or imbalance, my tree is unbalanced. Okay, so I have to do the array rotation. So array rotation means, you know that one single right rotation that is followed by your left rotation. Okay, so I have to do the right rotation first, means your anti-clockwise rotation. This is your parallel rotation, means this will 3 will come here, then 1 will come here. Okay, again if 3 will come here, one right rotation, then which from, again you can also do this by doing only the right rotation, because just think, if the 3 will come here, 1 will come its one position to its right. Okay, so from the right subtree, which element should be placed at the root so that the left element should be smaller than that and the right element should be greater than that. So here the most promising node is your 7. Okay, 3 will come here, then 1 will come here anti-clockwise. Okay, so from the right node or subtree I have to place that node which is greater than the left subtree and which is smaller than your right subtree. So 7 will be the most promising node. Also you can do that, or you can do also the right and left rotation. Right and left rotation you can also do right rotation. This one is your left rotation. You can also do like that. So now 7 will go here. Okay, 7 will go here. 7 will go here. Okay, so you just do in this way. I have no space, that's why I am writing here. Okay, then 3 come here, then 1 come here anti-clockwise. Okay, so when 7 goes there, then accordingly 10 will be placed here, then 11 will be placed here. So what about 9? Link of 9 with 7 clockwise and your clockwise and your anti-clockwise. This is your clockwise. Clock rotates like this, and this is your anti-clockwise. So this is your RL rotation. Right rotation, then left rotation. Right rotation, 3 comes here, 1 comes here. Left rotation, 7 goes to the root. You can also think like that. This is your RL rotation from the right subtree. From the right subtree, the most promising is 7 because 7 is greater than the left subtree and your less than the right subtree. So 7 will go there. So which rotation the 7 has to take? Which rotation 7 has to take? 7 has to take the clockwise rotation, LL rotation. So RL rotation. So now 3 comes here, 1 comes here, then 10 is right to the 7 tick, then your 11 is your right to 10, right? Okay, then link of 9 will cut. So I have to place 9 where? According to the BST rule. So 9 is greater than 7, then less than 10. Okay, so we have deleted till here. Now I have to delete 1. Now I have to delete 1. Okay, so if 1 will be deleted, the tree will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, now calculate the balance factor. First calculate the balance factor also here. This tree is balanced, I think. 0, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Okay, yes, this is also balanced. So after then I have to delete 1 from here. So again after deleting 1, I have to again calculate the balance factor. Okay, this is 0, this is 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So balance factor is minus 1. So this is also balanced. No need of any rotation. So now I have to delete 7. Okay. First draw the resultant input tree. Okay, now this is my question tree. This is my input tree, and from the input tree I have to delete 7. So 7. This is just mark 7 is your root node. Okay, I have to delete 7. Now 7 is root. Okay, 7 is root. Okay, when 7 will be deleted, you know that according to the inner rule, the immediate predecessor of your 7 is 3. So 3 will go to 7. So this is your RR rotation. Okay, so if you don't have to think about the RR rotation, you think like this. Okay, so when 7 will be deleted, I have to already told you that yes, according to the inner rule what? Left root, then right. So predecessor of root is left. So your predecessor of your 7 is your 3. Okay, so 3 will go there. So think 3 is go there. So this is your rotation. Anti-clockwise. This is LL rotation, sorry, this is clockwise rotation, LL rotation. So but this is not final rotation. Okay, you have to just think that is immediate predecessor of in order rule, that is your left subtree must be go to the root. So this is your left clockwise. Okay, L rotation, but this is not final rotation. We just do, you have to just do the final rotation. 3, 10, 9, 11. So now tree is again unbalanced, because imbalance is here. Only right part is present, left part is not present. So I have to calculate the balance factor. 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So left side is totally absent, that's why the right side is present, and the imbalance occurs at 3 because the height of the 3 is here minus 2. So here I have to do the final rotation. Here I have to replace, here I have to think that which node should be taken as the root if the root node will be deleted. Here I have to do the in order rule, means your immediate predecessor of root is your left side according to the in order rule, left, root and right. So if the root will be deleted, left must replace its position. So accordingly you have to change its position. But here you have to do the rotation. Here you have to do the rotation because imbalance happens here. So here you have to do here there is imbalance in your right part, but not at the straight right. This is your imbalance, so you have to do the RL rotation. Okay, so means why RL rotation? Because you have to do take some node here, okay, anti-clockwise. Then you have to take some node to the root. भावुन जदि तुम 3 अच्छी 3 को तुम जदि आणिबो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मीन्स तुमर राइट साइड आणिबो माने आर गोटे हबो. अच्छा जदि आणिबो देन दिस प्लेस मस्ट बी फिल्ड, तुम रूट टा फिल हबो. रूट फिल हेले तुम किछि गोटे लेफ्ट साइड रोटेशन करके तुमको नबा को पड़िबो. So R and L rotation, it will take your RL rotation. Okay, so it is हमको देखिए to make the tree balance you have to do which rotation. Means I don't have to do the only the left rotation or the right rotation because there is only one rotation. But here I have to take 3 here. Again I have to fill this place by taking some node from the right subtree to the root. Okay, so now R will by doing the RR rotation 3 will come here. Okay, then I have to take the node, which node from the right part, so that it will satisfy the BST rule, that is your root must be greater than the left subtree and smaller than the right subtree. So now 9 satisfies that. Okay, 9 satisfies that. RL rotation, RR, then your MM. Okay. Okay. So now 3 comes here, right? 3 comes here, anti-clockwise, right? 9 goes there. 9 goes there in the this position. Okay. Then as is what 10 and 11. Okay. Link kahar kichi kotchi ki na kichi nahi, only tamara right side ta heavy thila. Now you have to balance by taking some nodes to the left side and placing the node in the root. Okay, so now I have to calculate the balance. 0 1, then 0, then minus 1. Left side you have to calculate positive sign, and right side you have to calculate the negative sign. And the minus 2 and 1 different one, so tree is balanced. So this is your we have deleted 4 8 then 5 2 1 and 7. This is your end of your deletion of a node in the AVL tree. So your AVL tree is chapter will be completed next time. In the next class we will learn multi-way search tree and your B tree. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in my live class. Okay, thank you.